Do you prefer working with the dog, or are you a quad girl?
Oh, the dog. Buddy's not that fond of the quad yet. For going out to bring sheep in, if that boy's trained, I'll not need the quad bike.
He doesn't need any petrol or diesel.
No, he's cheap run.
I doubt that very much. I'd say that dog eats very well.
That boy maybe eats better than me.
We're here at Tracy Wilson's farm. How are you doing, Tracy?
How are you, Liam?
What size of a farm have you got here?
Nearly 8 acres here.
And you work it all yourself?
Oh, dinkers no. You need the help of the aliens. Mother and father's here at all times.
Yes, but they're more back up. You do most of the work.
Oh, no. You can't do it on your own.
Your farm here is in Moyaver. Hey, I got that right?
Aye, Moyaver. There's a Moyaver upper and a Moyaver lower.
And the farm here, it's been in the family a while.
It's here since it hasn't been in our family for I mean. As far as I can remember, my granddad telling me it was an uncle of his owned it.
Yes.
And he used to keep pigs down on it whenever the uncle was here. And then, as far as I'm aware, he passed away. And then the farm went up for sale. So he went in to buy the farm, and he met another man that was doing one day in the yard, and he was interested in the farm. And he said to my granddad, he says, is this a relation of yours? And Granda says, aye, it belongs to an uncle of mine. And he says, are you interested in it? He says, well, the boy says, I'm putting the mare beds on it. Granda, he went in and your boy told him that the boy had put on another bed. Well, Granda says, I'm no interested in the way he went. But the estate agent came out after him, their boy hadn't put on a bed at all.
You telling me that was a crooked estate agent?
Well, so they telling me, I don't know, I wasn't there.
I've never heard tell of that before.
I wouldn't say, aye. So that was a story that I am led to believe. And Granda bought it, and at the time he bought it, the folk thought he was mad at the money again for it.
He got a bargain.
Maybe a right bargain now, but I think in them days, the people I thought he was crazy. I think he gained something like 8,000 for it then.
For 50 acres?
Well, there's nearly 80.
That's a bargain, Tracy.
Well, it is the day, but maybe in them days when there was, like my granda used to do a milk run on the horse and cart. That's what he done, and I suppose that's what he spent his money on.
Because you had to have a job to support yourself farming.
Oh, I need 2 jobs to support my farming, holy God, are you talking sense?
When does the ram start to get frisky?
Well, we would put our ram out here, or our ram, should I say, at the last Saturday in September.
How many rams have you?
Oh, usually 2.
It's too much work for one.
Oh, aye, you kill them.
That's when you get the ewes covered.
Yes.
And then you're expecting, you have a quiet Christmas and New Year, I suppose.
Aye, and then sort of the end of February, you're expecting your lambs to start to arrive.
And that's when sleep goes out the window.
That's when the sleep goes out the window. You end up on the sofa.
And you don't bother scanning them to see whether they're having singles or twins or...
I don't have enough of sheep here to do that, because you would be splitting them into different batches for feeding. Whereas, it's, like, for all the ewes I have, it's not worth the hassle, so I like to look it up.
Do you make a judgment yourself?
You look at her and say, well, I think there's 3 in her, or there's 2 in her. So. And she's a bit light, she'll maybe only a single.
And how good is your judgment?
I leave that up to Da, and then I can't get scalped.
And then you get them as quick as possible out of the lambing shade, out onto the field.
Oh, aye. You better outside. As long as it's dry and cool, they can stick it, but that wet weather, they don't like it. Come on.
Is the farming in your blood, Tracy?
It is.
You can't get rid of it either.
No, but it doesn't get into everybody's blood. Like I have a sister, and she's never done any interest in it. And my brother sprays there, he's spraying cars and stuff, and he hasn't much interest either. He'd help you if you needed help, but he wouldn't just be dying about going to buy sheep or anything like.
So you got all the farming genes.
I must have done. I must have been the nutter of the family.